Say hello to the new 2022 to 2024 in colours from Stampin' Up. And as you can see, I have got a bundle of beautifulness in my basket here. And you too might be interested in gathering up a bundle full of beautifulness. So let's have a little look at these in colours. 5 new in colours. Sweet Sorbet, Tahitian Tide, Parakeet Party, Orchid Oasis, and last but not least, Starry Sky. And if you would like to collect products in all of these beautiful, vibrant colours over the coming months, then why not consider joining my In Colour Club? So with the In Colour Club, each month between May and September, you will receive a box full of goodies, and your box will contain 6 sheets of A4 cardstock. You'll get your ink pad and an ink refill. You'll get 8 sheets of the 6x6 in colour DSP in 2 double-sided sheets with 4 different patterns amongst there. So you'll get 8 sheets of that. You'll get 4 sheets of the stunning glimmer paper. So you can see this ombre effect glimmer paper just here. You will get your stamping blends in both dark and light. You'll get a Stamping Right marker, the water-based marker pen in the same colour. You'll get 1/4 of a reel of the in colour glimmery ribbon just there, the glittery ribbon. You'll get also 4 of the cards and envelopes, like these ones just here, also featuring those in colours, just beautiful. 4 of those in your in the colour of the month, and you'll get 30 of these little decorative dots. So you'll get the sort of share of a pack in the correct colour for your month of those little decorative dots, and you'll get a reel of in colour twine in the same colour. So lots and lots of goodies to play with each month in that one particular colour. On top of that, you will also receive a video link to 2 projects creating things with that in colour to give you some inspiration for things to use them with. All of that is going to cost £38 if you are able to collect it from me. If you need me to package it up and pop it in the post to you, then there will be an additional £2.50 postage and packaging charge on top of that. And at the end of the 5 months, you will receive, as a little bit of a thank you, a share of a pack of the Tea Boutique paper. So you'll receive some of those papers as well as a little thank you gift, and those also coordinate with all of those in colours. So if you're here in the UK and you want to gather up all of these beautiful in colour products, then do head over to my website at www.loveaduckie.co.uk and find out more details about the paper share, as well as other shares and clubs, the in colour club, as well as other shares and things that are going on over there. So head over and check out details of the in colour club, and it would be lovely to have you as a member.